Nag-lunch ka na? Stel? Nag-lunch ka na? Nag-lunch. Nag-lunch ka na? Are you asking me if I already ate my lunch?
Yeah.
Mag-joke ako. Ito na yun. Ito na yung joke. What's your kinakain? What's your kinakain? What is the meaning of that? I can't understand anything you're saying here. What's my kinakain? What am I eating? My favorite fruit snack. Welch's. I don't know. I'll have to check. Have you guys watched the first take? Who is your customer? Who is your customer? Who's my customer? Who's customer? I only know Kasama from Tekken. What is my haircut? Cap cut. How are you guys? I'm fine. Oh, did I answer my question? Kamusta kayong lahat? Ako po si Estelle. Kamusta kayong lahat? Ako po si Estelle. Ako po ay I forgot the word. Ako po ay 29 years old. Joke lang. Do you speak Tagalog? Yeah. I can speak Tagalog, of course. I'm 100% Filipino. Of course. I'm 100% Filipino. Filipino represent. Let's go. So, I'm just bored. I'm just bored. And hungry at the same time. Ba't ka lagi kumakain sa life mo? Because I'm always hungry. You didn't give us. Yeah, I didn't give you. I didn't give. I did not lend you some. Lend you. I did not gave you some because I'm selfish. I'm self. You wanna kiss me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Why you wanna kiss me? Oh, paro uwi na ako. Kailan ulit ako magla-live? Naka-live ako ngayon, tatanungin mo kailan ako magla-live pala. Paka-advance mo naman mag-isip. Are we going now? Okay.
Last 5 minutes.
Hindi, okay na. I can walk. Ate Patapon, thank you. I can walk while doing live. Because why not? Wait. Wait for me. Tapos, meron pa ako dito, madami. Wait for me. We're walking now. We're going to walk now. Oh, what happened? Yeah. Bye guys. We need to go now. Uwi na kami. Bye bye. We're going now. 8.6.
Dami.
Lag na kasi malayo na yung internet.
Kaliwa ka dyan.
Kaliwa here? Bababa? Ano? Buti na lang bumili ako ng ano dito. Snack, nagsara na.
Sarado ng alam.
Thank you guys for watching my live. Thank you for dropping by. Matutulog lang ako sa flight. Tsaka kakain, tsaka manonood ng movie.
Ay, kabog. Busy na pala.
Pagdating po sa Pilipinas, wala. Ang ingay. Pilipinas, di po tayo magpapahinga. Kasi kailangan po natin magtrabaho. Then marami tayong binubuhay. Kailangan natin ng kayamanan. Ikaw ate, nagtatrabaho ka ba pag uwi ng Pilipinas? Yes!
Ano ba yan? Dito, tika, kaliwa.
Sige na, bye-bye na guys.